ang masasabi ninyo doon sa House Committee on Justice? How
Ako,
they handled?
Si Luistro pa ang chair. Isa pa yan. Dapat mag-resign yan eh. Grabe yan si Luistro. Grabe yan, pro-Martin, pro-Vivian. May AX, TAX dahil sa speaker. May ganito, bilyon dahil sa speaker. Kulang lang sabihin, may ulan, may lindol, may baha dahil sa speaker eh. This is the same Congresswoman Luistro who admitted that she hid her husband who was accused of rape.
Tinago ko po asawa ko. Siya. Wanted siya. Wanted siya.
And yet, you told your husband to hide and not face these charges when they were filed against him. Talaga bang tinago niyo yung asawa niyo?
Yes. Tinago ko po ang asawa ko.
He was accused of rape. Dapat nag-surrender siya. Tingnan mo si Revilla. Di ba nag-surrender siya? Eto rape ha? Non-bailable. Sabi niya, sa akin yun ang tama eh. Anong klase abogada ka? Abogada ka? Dati ka pa daw piskal? Accused of rape ang asawa mo, hindi mo pinasurrender? May dapat sa'yo ma-disbar, Congresswoman Luistro?
Pero ma'am, baka kasuhan kayo ni Congresswoman Luistro of slander right now or libel, destroying her reputation.
Congresswoman Luistro! Make my day.